So today we are going to discuss about the memory reliability and yield in the VLSI design. So classification of the memory, we have already discussed about the ROM, that is a read-only memory, and the RAM, random access memory. ROM further divided into the PROM, means programmable ROM, and EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, and the flash ROM. And when we are talking about the RAM, is the static RAM and the dynamic RAM, which we have already discussed. So today we are having a topic of the reliability and yield. So there are two conditions that must be satisfied in order for the VLSI to be used or the useful in the graving technology, that is a yield and reliability. Firstly, the fabrication circuit must be capable of being produced in a large quantity at cost that are competitively with other alternative method of achieving the circuit and the system function. And second, the circuit must be capable of performing their function throughout their intended life. Okay. Yield, we define yield means denoted by the Y is equal to number of good chips on the wafer divided by total number of the chips. मतलब क्या है कि हमने टोटल प्रोडक्शन कितना किया है वो, और उनमें से बेस्ट कितनी है हमारे, इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय द वाई. अ चिप विद नो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड द गुड चिप. Yield heavily drives the cost of the chip, so we obviously want to have a high yield. However, yield can be very low initially, that is less than 10%. A mature process tries to hit approximately 90% yield. VLSI डिफेक्ट किस तरह के डिफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं इसमें, दैट unclustered defect wafer yield is equal to 12/22 is equal to 0.55, and the clustered defect in VLSI wafer yield is equal to 17/22, मीन्स 17 इसमें से ठीक है, 22 हमने बनाए हैं, तो हमारे पास में टोटल कितना आ रहा है 0.77%. 12 ठीक है और 22 हमने बनाए हैं, कितना आ रहा है 0.55%. सो गुड चिप हमारी कितनी है और फॉल्टी चिप हमारी कितनी है, ये हम इसमें से देख सकते हैं. तो ब्लू कलर का जो है हमारा इंडिकेशन है हमारे गुड चिप्स का, और जो ऑरेंज कलर आपको नज़र आ रहा है वो हमारा है फॉल्ट चिप. ओके. सो ब्लू हमारी अगर काउंटिंग करें तो हमारे 12 हो रहे हैं फर्स्ट वाले में, अनक्लस्टर्ड में, और क्लस्टर्ड वाले में हमारे हो रहे हैं 70. सो रिलायबिलिटी, द टर्म रिलायबिलिटी इज डिफाइंड एज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट an item will perform a required function under started condition for a stated period of time. The required function must include a definition of satisfactory operation and unsatisfactory operation or failure. The program's outcome simply state good or bad. The stated condition is in the defined comprise with the total physical environmental includes the mechanical, thermal and electrical conditions of expected use. The stated period of time means is the time during which the satisfactory operation is required. So जितनी भी मेमोरी हमारे पास में है, मेमोरी both SRAM and DRAM are operating under low signal to noise conditions, maximize the signal while minimizing the noise contribution to the achieving stable memory operation. Another problem, pling memory design is low yield due to structural and intermittent defects. Signal to noise ratio, a tremendous effort is being to produce a memory cell that generate as a large signal as possible per unit area. At the same time, the increased integration density raise the noise level due to the increasing coupling. मेमोरी यील्ड क्या हो सकता है कि विद इंक्रीज डाई साइज एंड इंटीग्रेशन डेंसिटी अ रिडक्शन इन द यील्ड इज टू बी एक्सपेक्टेड. नोट विद स्टैंड द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस कॉज फॉर माल फंक्शन ऑफ अ पार्ट कैन बी बोथ मटेरियल डिफेक्ट्स एंड प्रोसेस वेरिएशन. सो मैनी designer when they are designing the memory, so many designer during the memory designer use two approaches to combat low yield and to reduce the cost of this complex compression or the component. Redundancy and error correction. Redundancy means when the same kind of the content of the information gathered by the two or different kind of the signals, but we are choosing the best signal. So memory have the advantages of being extremely regular structure. Providing redundant hardware is easily accomplished. Defective bit lines in a memory array can be replaced by redundant one, and the same hold for word line. Redundancy in the memory array increase the yield. हमने एक डायग्राम से इसको समझाया. ओके. एरर करेक्शन क्या हो सकता है कि redundancy help correct fault that affect a large section of the memory such as defective bit lines or word line. It is ineffective when dealing with scattered point error such as a local error caused by material defects. Achieving a reasonable fault coverage requires too much redundancy under these circumstances and result in a large area overhead. A better approach to address this fault is to use the error correction. Okay, thank you.